Hello everybody. In this video, I wish to show you 5 UGC CARE journals in which you can submit and publish your manuscript for free. Okay? So it is not only related to computer science or management or any specific domain. Okay? This is of many domains. I'm just going to show you one journal which is of multidisciplinary and management, like that. Okay? So just watch. So this is the very first journal which I would like to show you. So this is used for economics and business. Okay, this is what the journal name. Here you can see it. And as I told, you have to also check various criteria, like how many issues per year they are just publishing, and what are the charges, and what are the indexing. Okay, so those things we have to check, obviously. So here you can see that this is the journal name where they are just supporting economics and business. Okay, so you have to submit your original paper, that is original research. Okay, and once you have submitted in any journal, okay, any journal or any conference, don't try to submit the same to any other conference. So you should be very clear about it. And editors are keen to ensure, okay, this is about the journal, and here you can see that the journal does not have article processing charges nor article submission charges. So this is what we want. Okay, so this is about the submission and everything. And you can just simply click here, instructions to the author. And if you want to know more about it, go to home, and you can see that what are all the various topic which they are dealing with, that is the fields they are dealing with, that is research management, marketing, quantitative methods and their applications, regional economics, regional development, agricultural economics. So on these, if you have any manuscript on these area, you can submit it. Okay, and you can see that it is listed in UGC CAD journal. Okay, this is listed in UGC CAD, so I have opened it from the UGC CARE list of index. Okay, so here you can see the abstracting and indexing. This is best to see that in every journal you have to check what are the abstracting and indexing, what are in which thing they have abstracted. So these are all the various abstracting and indexing they have. So you can see here. Okay, so now let's go to the next one, which is this is Kumaraswamy Foundation. So here you can see that this is also listed in UGC. Okay, so here you can see that this is a bilingual referred annual publication. So only one time they are publishing, and no charges are levied against the publication in general. Okay, but it is necessary to get the clearance of the references before publishing. So you have to read all these things very clearly. And you can see that that is, you can also check with the previous publication. Okay, and as I told before, publishing, you have to check like what are the other thing which you have to see is like what is their abstraction and indexing. Just go to home page and check all these things. Okay, and the next one is International Journal of Yoga, Philosophy, Psychology and Parapsychology. Okay, this also they are accepting the papers, that is they can, it will submit, you can submit your paper and you can publish it for free. Okay, so that is what given here. So you can see it, what are all the that is area which they are covering. Okay, this is also free to access. Fine. So you can see here that they are mentioning that, see, the journal does not charge for submission and processing or publication manuscript, and even for color reproduction of photographs. Okay, so here you can see that they are not charging anything. And then you can also see that what are all the abstracting and indexing information. Okay, here they have given. Okay, and you can see like authors information and everything. And here you can see the scope of the journal, which is very very important. Okay, that is they are just covering psychology, philosophy, spirituality. Okay, like this you have to check this as well, because scope is very very important. We should not submit if it is not the paper which we are submitting, the manuscript which you are submitting, which is out of scope, will also be rejected anyhow. Okay, so the next one is like Next is a Gandhi Mark journal. Okay, so this is the Gandhi Mark journal, and because here you can see that here also they are not charging any that is they are not charging price. Okay, so this is about the journal, so you can read it. And here you can see that is always you can find the relevant information in the very first, that is a home page itself. Okay, so here they have given some information like what, how much the abstract should be, keywords, articles, that is how much words it should consist of, and everything. Okay, and here you can see that no fees are charged for submission or publication in this journal. Okay, so that is we have to check here. And also you should check for how many that is how many issues per year they are just publishing. Okay, that is also very important, so you have to check that as well. And submission of the paper, you can download the manuscript here. Okay, that is a template of the manuscript, you can download it from here. Okay, and the next is Colombo Business Journal. You can see that this is also a free journal, that is a free publishing journal. And this is a peer reviewed scholarly journal, that is a business management journal, which they are publishing twice a year. Okay, they are publishing twice a year, and you can see that there are various disciplines like sociology, psychology, economics, and philosophy. Okay, and even they are not charging anything, like CBG does not charge any submission processing or publication fees here. And you can also see the abstracting and indexing over here. In few journal they'll be showing up abstracting and indexing as a separate web page. Okay, and in few journals they might have included in their home page itself, like once you have logged in they have included in the home page itself. So it all based on the website which you are trying to see. Okay, so here you can see various things about the journal. So always please be very sure that before submitting any of your journal, just check what is the journal is all about, and how what are the things you have to submit, the scope of the journal, how many days it will take, and everything. And the last journal is the Wesleyan Journal of Research. So this is a multidisciplinary journal. Okay, so you can see here that there is no publication cost in this journal. Okay, there is no publication cost, and you can submit these various domains like Bengali, botany, chemistry, economics, electronics, English, geography, history, mathematics, philosophy, physics. So all these that is all these domains you can submit it. Okay, this is also indexed in UGC CAD. Okay, and you should also check other things, like you can go and click on the home page and check where any other uh, relevant details like the scope of the journal. Okay, and you can also check like the abstracting and indexing thing here. Okay, so that also you should always think about. And in the see here you can see that. And in the about us page itself, they might have, in most of the journal they might have mentioned about the abstraction and indexing. Okay, or else sometimes you can also check in that is, you can just go around and guidance policy if you have anything. And anything like if you want to check. And the main thing is here you can see that few colleges, they also will run the journal. Okay, like monthly journals or like that. So this is actually this journal is by Bankura Christian College. So might be they might not showing any abstracting and indexing here, but no problem because it is indexed in UGC CAD. So I have searched now, that is today is actually like October. So now as of now it is indexed in UGC CAD journal. So what friends, what I'm suggesting you is please before submitting your journal cross check it. I'm not telling that you have to submit whatever the journal I'm telling you have to submit. No, you have to again cross check. Even whoever is telling to you, you have to cross check, because UGC care and UGC and that is a Springer elsewhere. Okay, so they might be changing, that is the indexing will be changing. Even you can see the Scopus Index journal, that is a journal which is indexed in the Scopus Index today, but it may not be there in the next month. Okay, because they will be always changing. So you have to check, and then only you have to proceed. As of now it is indexed in, that is it is listed in UGC CAR journals. Okay, and so please, I hope this is useful to you. In the next video I'll come up with some more list of journals that is indexed in Scopus, and it is free to publish. Thank you, take care, bye.